Greetings and welcome to Pixie Orange Farming. The journey to successful Pixie Orange farming begins with understanding the right soil and climate conditions. Pixie thrives best in well-drained sandy loam soils with a high humus content and a pH level of between 6.5 and 7.4. The ideal climate is warm or hot, with temperatures between 10 and 30 degrees Celsius and rainfall of at least 1,000 millimeters annually, which can be supplemented through irrigation. When planting your Pixie seedlings, make sure to prepare the planting holes well, measuring 2 feet wide and deep. Separate the topsoil from the bottom soil and mix the rich topsoil with manure in a ratio of 1:2. Fill the hole with the mixture, leaving about 10 centimeters for watering. Pixie orange trees grow to a height of 4 meters and spread to a radius of 3 meters, so the recommended spacing is 3 by 5 meters. This allows sufficient workspace for spraying and harvesting and even growing cover crops. This is a highly lucrative venture that requires little management but gives high returns. All you need to do is keep your plants watered, control pests and diseases, keep your orchard tidy, apply manure regularly and prune your trees on time. When it comes to profitability, Pixie orange farming can be a gold mine. It is ideal agribusiness for both high and low-income earners. A well-tended tree can produce 300 fruits from the 5th year, translating to around 60 kilos of fruits in a year. With an acre accommodating 270 trees, you could be looking at a turnover of up to 1.2 million Kenyan shillings annually. The initial cost of starting a Pixie farm is around 150,000 Kenyan shillings, which includes purchasing seedlings and planting labor. The demand for Pixie oranges in Kenya is soaring thanks to its irresistible sweet taste, juicy nature, and bright color. The fruits are especially loved in hot areas like Nairobi, Nakuru, Kisumu, and Mombasa for juicing, and you'll find them being sold even in the smallest fruit kiosks. What are the benefits of Pixie fruit? They're a rich source of vitamin A and C that are known to support healthy skin, boost overall immunity, support growth, development, and repair of body tissues. In summary, Pixie orange farming is a profitable venture that requires understanding the right soil and climate conditions, proper planting and care, and tapping into the soaring market demand. Fruit farming is an exciting way to keep busy while still making an income, with a one-time initial cost and an annual turnover that can reach up to 1.2 million Kenyan shillings. It's a venture worth considering. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Pixie orange farming? Remember to comment, subscribe, share, and like.